Aloe Vera Gel consists of 150 nutritional components that include minerals, enzymes, salicylic acids, amino acids, lignans, saponins, sterols and anthraquinones. Aloe Vera Gel contains high antioxidants like zinc, magnesium and selenium, which repair and protect the skin from damage caused by pollution, harsh chemicals and sun. The minerals and vitamins present in Aloe Vera Gel will lessen the pigmentation by reducing melanin production in the skin. On the other hand, rice is a very rich source of PABA, para-aminobenzoic acid, that is a great sunscreen. When taken internally, this PABA increases the vitamin C level in the body. Rice also has a high concentration of lantoin and ferulic acid, which to protect the skin from the harmful effects of the sun.
Recommended directions: put 3-4 tablespoons of rice flour and 5 teaspoons of freshly blended aloe vera gel in a bowl. Stir them well together to form a thick paste. Gently apply it all over your face and let it stay for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse it thoroughly with cool water. Then wash it off with cold water. You can apply this rice flour face pack for fair skin once a week.